Hi, it's Linda from Homeschooling6.com. Thank you for visiting my channel and welcome back. Today I actually wasn't going to do any filming, but I received a few boxes of goodies right here from Amazon. It's actually from Sarah from the Thinking Tree, and I'm pretty sure this one is too. I didn't even open it a little bit to check. So I thought I would hop on here because I didn't want to wait until tomorrow to open these. I wanted to do an unboxing when they came. So thank you, Sarah, for sending these. I'm going to have an individual peek inside of these journals as well, but this is just an unboxing. So this one actually came a few days ago. I didn't realize it was part of the boxes that journals that Sarah was sending. Before, when they used to do like Create a Space, they would come all in one box, but I think now that Amazon kind of changed all that, they come separately. So at least that's what my thinking is. Don't quote me on that. But this is one of the newer journals that we're really excited about. This one is the Travel World History Heroes and Villains of History. You be the judge. And again, I'll go ahead and do individual reviews, peek inside of each journal so this doesn't get too long. But this one, like right here, they're all basically in the same format. It has Jesus Christ, and then before you start, do you think this person is a hero of history or a villain? Why? And then they get to draw the person. So they're going to do their own research and so forth. And what are their goals? What did he actually accomplish? And so forth. And it goes on. And again, I will have a review of this so you can see the pages a lot better. That's how it looks. So that's this one. And then in here we got two more. Ooh, endangered, extinct, and legendary animals. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look at that cover. I'm just always amazed at Sarah's talent. Look at that. Those are all the new ones that are coming out. Look at the little gardener right there. And this one is character development just for beginners. And then they have character development for teens coming out. So there's a lot coming out soon. And so this one, let's just find one. Saber-toothed tiger. Facts about this animal. And then draw my enemies, draw my food, draw my babies. And then, ooh, I don't even know how to say this one. I'm going to have to go Google the name. See that? Let me just go like this. So, wow, that's really cute. Again, I'll have better videos to show you more pages a little bit later. The Songwriter's Fun Schooling Journal, Homeschool Curriculum, Handbook for Students Majoring in Songwriting. Again, another beautiful cover. Let's do a little flip through here. I think that's what I'll do for this unboxing. And I'll have a flip through / peek inside later. Okay, here's another box. Paper out there. So this one was released in not I think last year, but I haven't got one yet. So she sent me one all about space. Again, we'll just do a quick flip through. And I'll have a peek inside later, and I'll add that to my YouTube channel. And then this one, the Pirate's Pronunciation Handbook, Creative Language Arts, Advanced Phonics, Spelling Skills, and Cursive Writing Practice. And I love that cover. Oh, and look at, there's some little cats up there. peek inside there. Just a quick flip through for you all. And the next one, ooh, the Artist Fun Schooling Journal. Homeschooling Curriculum Handbook for Students Majoring in Art. Let's do another. Right there it's saying to-do list, a quote, my goals, my plans. Art challenge, draw a bakery, look at a photo of a real bakery to inspire you. So here's a quick look inside of that one. And the last one, again, this one is not a new release. I believe this one was released towards the end of last year, but I haven't received this one yet. So this is Fun Schooling Grammar Time, Poems, Games, and Crafts, 260 Activity, Parts of Speech. So I'm excited to look at this one, to look at all of these. I'll be adding videos of all of these journals to my YouTube channel and at the thinkingtreebranch.com. I will add them to there so you can find them easily. So if you go to the thinkingtreebranch.com and you click on like horror journals or or Minecraft journals, you'll find the YouTube links there. So, and just a quick one, I bought this one. It was on sale for $7.50, and so I grabbed this one. I haven't done a video on this one, so I'll do one as well. Draw the missing spots. See that? And I'm going to do a video, but I just thought I'd include it in my unboxing because it kind of came at the same time. And this one also came at the same time. Fun Schooling Math with Minecraft. So, I know that's kind of a quick flip through, but I will go ahead and get some videos up for each of these. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought and which one's your favorite or one that you're looking forward to in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.